Okay, let's dive right into this. We all take tons of photos, right? It's how we share our lives. That amazing meal, that killer vacation view, you know the drill. But what if I told you that every single one of those pictures is telling a secret story? A story you probably have no idea you're even sharing.
No, really, think about it. That photo of your dog you just posted online, it could be saying a whole lot more than just, "I'm a good boy." Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the invisible data that's hiding in plain sight in every one of your images.
All right, first up, let's actually talk about what your photos are hiding. And look, this isn't some kind of conspiracy theory stuff. It's a totally standard feature that's built into basically every digital camera and smartphone out there. This hidden layer has a name. It's called metadata. The easiest way to think about it is like a photo's digital fingerprint. While the picture itself shows you a moment in time, the metadata tells you the entire story behind that moment. What camera you used, exactly when you took it, and yeah, even precisely where you were standing.
The whole concept is actually super simple when you break it down. Every single image file you have is made of two main parts. First, you've got the pixel data. That's the pretty picture, the part you actually see. And then invisibly attached to it is the metadata. That's the hidden story behind those pixels.
And this metadata isn't just one big jumble of text, it's actually organized. You've got a couple types, like XMP and IPTC, that usually handle stuff like captions or copyright info. But the one we really need to focus on today is called EXIF. Why? Because that's the gold mine for sensitive personal information. We're talking precise timestamps and the big one, GPS coordinates.
So, why does any of this hidden data actually matter? I mean, it sounds kind of technical, right? Well, the implications for your personal privacy are very, very real. Let's take a look at what can happen when this information gets out there.
Think about it. When you share a photo, you could be sharing your exact GPS location. That awesome vacation picture, it might just be broadcasting to the world that your house is empty. A few photos taken over a week could literally map out your entire daily routine. And get this, there's even something called a unique image ID that can be used to track and link your photos across completely different websites, building a profile of your life you never, ever intended to share.
Okay, I know that all sounds pretty scary, but here's the good news, and it is really good news. You are not powerless here at all. There are actually simple and even free ways to take back control of this data before you hit share. And that solution is a fantastic little web tool called Image Metadata Studio. It was built for one reason and one reason only, to solve this exact problem. It makes all that invisible data visible, and then it makes it super easy to remove.
Now, before you use any tool like this, you have to be able to trust it, right? And that's the absolute best part about this one. It's what we call local only. That means your photos are never uploaded to a server anywhere. Everything, the inspection, the editing, it all happens right there in your web browser on your own machine. The tool tracks absolutely nothing. It's built for privacy from the ground up. So let's get to the good stuff. Let's talk about the practical side of this and see how you can add this to your privacy toolkit. I'm going to walk you through just how incredibly simple it is to inspect your photos and scrub them clean of any data you don't want out there. Seriously, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just open the web page and drag your image right onto it. Instantly, the tool lays out all of that hidden EXIF, XMP, and IPTC data in these really clean, easy-to-read tables. From there, you just edit or remove whatever you want, and then you click one button to download a brand new, clean copy of your photo. That's it.
And you get some really amazing fine-grained control here. You can zero in and remove just the specific GPS coordinates. You can get rid of time zone information that might give away your travel patterns. You can scrub that unique image ID we were just talking about. Or, if you want, you can just wipe entire sections of metadata completely clean with a single click. Total control. And here is a super important point that should put your mind at ease. Using this tool is completely non-destructive. Your original photo is never, ever modified or touched in any way. When you're all done editing, you just download a brand new clean file, leaving your original picture perfectly safe and unchanged on your computer.
So there you have it. The power is officially back in your hands. You can now see the invisible data, and more importantly, you can control it. You know, it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If this much information was hiding in your photos this whole time, what other digital footprints are you leaving behind every single day? Definitely something to think about.